Behold, the Pentagon, a five-sided fortress of concrete and steel. It's the undisputed symbol of American military might, an architectural marvel and the nerve center of the world's most powerful defense force. But have you ever wondered how this colossal structure came to be? The story isn't just about building an office. It's about a nation at war, racing against time. The year is 1941. The world is engulfed in the flames of World War II. In Washington, D.C., the U.S. War Department is bursting at the seams. Its 24,000 employees scattered across 17 different buildings all over the city. This logistical nightmare is slowing down crucial decisions. Secretary of War Henry Stimson knows something has to change, and fast. The United States needs a single consolidated headquarters, a place where the entire war effort can be coordinated under one roof. The problem? They need it built yesterday. Enter the architects and engineers tasked with the impossible. They needed a design that could accommodate a massive workforce while being efficient to navigate. Traditional skyscrapers were too slow to build and vulnerable. The solution was revolutionary, a low-rise, five-sided building. The pentagonal shape wasn't just for looks. It was a stroke of genius. It maximized usable space on an irregularly shaped plot of land and, incredibly, ensured that no 2 points within the building were more than a 7-minute walk from each other. This design allowed for rapid, simultaneous construction on all 5 sides, a method known as fast tracking, where design and construction happened at the same time. The scale of the project was simply staggering. It was the largest office building in the world, and it was being built at lightning speed. To make it happen, a civilian army was assembled. At its peak, over 15,000 workers toiled on the site, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, under massive floodlights that turned night into day. The numbers are mind-boggling. Almost 700,000 tons of sand and gravel were dredged from the nearby Potomac River. 435,000 cubic yards of concrete were poured. And because steel was desperately needed for ships and tanks, the building was constructed primarily with reinforced concrete, using minimal steel in its structural frame, a true wartime innovation. On September 11, 1941, ground was broken. The clock was ticking. Despite strikes, material shortages, and the sheer complexity of the task, the construction team performed a modern miracle. Just 16 months later, in January 1943, the Pentagon was officially complete. It was a feat of engineering and determination that seemed to defy reality. Its completion came at a critical moment in the war. Immediately, it became the brain of the Allied military operations, a central hub where strategies were devised and orders were dispatched to battlefronts across the globe. The Pentagon wasn't just a building. It was a weapon, a critical tool that helped streamline the war effort and lead the Allies to victory. From its rushed wartime birth to its status today as an icon of global power, the story of the Pentagon is a testament to American ambition and ingenuity under pressure. Thanks for watching. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into incredible history. See you next time.